Welcome to your Starbond gluing experience. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, what's inside the box, how to use your Starbond adhesives for the best results, and how to store them properly to keep them in perfect shape for your next project. When you purchase a Starbond 2-ounce glue, you're getting the all-in-one package for all of your bonding needs. First up, you'll find the Starbond adhesive of your choice with a pre-attached nozzle. That's right, no more prying covers open. This glue is ready to go straight out of the box. Next, we have the Starbond accessory tube, your glue's ultimate companion. Inside, you'll find an extra applicator nozzle to refresh your glue when needed, 8 precision micro tips for intricate and detailed applications, a red anti-clog pin cap to keep your nozzle clean, clear, and always ready to use. And finally, the user guide is packed with pro tips, troubleshooting advice, and everything you need to know to make the most of your glue. Now that you're familiar with what's inside, let's get into safety and best practices. Before anything else, we want your safety first. Always work in a well-ventilated area to minimize vapors. If working in an enclosed space, wear a mask for added protection. Avoid contact with skin, eyes, and fabrics, as Starbond adhesives bond quickly and can cause burns. We recommend wearing nitrile or latex gloves, especially when working with delicate parts. Now we know you're safe, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to remove the top cap and cut the nozzle. What's great about this is that you can control your glue flow. For a small, precise flow, cut closer to the tip. For a larger flow, cut further down. Done! You are ready for bonding. Now, if you want to use the microtips for precise applications, all you have to do is attach one to the tip of the nozzle with firm pressure. Now you're ready to aim at the target surface while gently squeezing the bottle for a perfect and controlled application. But that's not all. If you want a faster and more efficient performance, remember the rapid tip. R. Roughen surfaces with sandpaper or steel wool for improved adhesion. A. Apply less glue. Just 1 drop per square inch is ideal for faster drying. P. pH matters. Acidic materials slow drying while alkaline surfaces speed it up. I. Increased heat glue cures best at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. D. Dry faster using an accelerator to cure glue in seconds. Once you're done bonding, it's time to store your glue the right way. Wipe the nozzle clean with the cloth. Avoid tissue paper. For short-term storage, attach the red anti-clog pin cap found in your accessory tube to keep the nozzle clear and ready for next time. Then, tap the bottom of the bottle gently on a hard surface to retract any glue left in the nozzle. Then store the bottle upright in a cool, dry place away from sharp objects. Now here's the secret for making it last longer. For maximum shelf life and long-term storage, keep your glue in the refrigerator or freezer at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. This ensures your Starbond glue stays fresh and is ready to use for months, guaranteed. And remember, Starbond offers a 30-month shelf life guarantee for all clear glues and 20 months for our colored glues when stored properly. If your glue doesn't perform as promised, we got you covered with free replacements or a full money-back guarantee. That's our promise to keep you bonding with confidence. With Starbond, you're equipped to bond smarter, faster, and stronger, no matter the project. From thoughtful packaging to effortless application, every detail is crafted to deliver exceptional results, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. For more tips, tricks, and product information, check out our website or follow us on social media.